If you respect yourself, your personality will naturally earn the respect of others. But when it comes to women, things can get a bit tricky, right? We all want to love them and receive the same kind of love, care, and respect. So, how can we make that happen? It's a valid concern, but remember, you're here for a reason. And the reason is, you're in love. Am I right? Don't worry. Your girl or crush is going to love and respect you just as much as you do. However, there are a few changes you need to make in your life. What are they? Let's dive in and find out. Get ready to learn the 6 things you can do to gain a woman's respect instantly. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1. Respect yourself to earn respect. First, if you want others, especially women, to respect you, you've got to respect yourself. Sounds simple, right? But many guys need to catch up on this crucial point. When you respect yourself, it shows, and people, especially women, notice it. So what's self-respect? It's about looking in the mirror and genuinely liking the person you see. How do you achieve that? Be honest with yourself and with others. Take responsibility for your actions, work towards a better future, and find meaning in your life. When you're content with who you are, that confidence radiates and others pick up on it. Women in particular find this self-assuredness attractive and respectful. On the flip side, you'll struggle to earn respect if you're constantly pretending to be someone you're not. Authenticity is key. Be true to yourself and your feelings, even if it means disagreeing with someone. When you live authentically, women will respect your honesty and integrity. Number 2, be genuine in your actions and words. Avoid pretending to be someone you're not in an attempt to impress women. Pretending or exaggerating your feelings or interests won't earn you respect. It might backfire. Instead, be honest. If you don't like something, say so. If you appreciate someone, express it genuinely. Avoid being overly flattering or submissive, often called a simp. This doesn't earn respect but can make you look desperate. Honesty and authenticity go a long way in building trust and respect. Number 3, increase your value. If you want women to admire and respect you, work on increasing your value. What does that mean? It involves understanding what women find attractive and what turns them off. Confidence is a big plus. Women are drawn to men who can lead and take charge. Being someone they can rely on, a protector, is also appealing. Show passion for your goals, stay calm, and maintain an air of mystery. These traits can boost your value. Remember, to increase your worth in the eyes of others, you must make your life meaningful and work towards self-improvement. You also want to improve yourself, don't you? Do you want to become an absolute masculinity master? We will help you on your master journey. Click now on the subscribe button, and your first step towards becoming a master has been taken. Number 4, stand up for yourself. In today's world, standing up for yourself can be challenging. Being too agreeable or avoiding conflicts can lead to low self-esteem. It's essential to defend your opinions and actions when necessary. This builds confidence, self-worth, and respect. Standing up for yourself doesn't just make you more independent, it adds charm to your personality. Women, in particular, appreciate a man who can confidently assert himself and handle situations. Number 5, avoid neediness. Being needy is a big turnoff. It's important not to rely on someone else for your happiness. Don't give off the impression that you're afraid of losing someone, as this can lead to a loss of respect. Balance is key. Show that you value your time together, but also have your own life. When she sees you as a self-sufficient individual, it piques her interest and respect. Number 6, pursue your purpose. Lastly, having a sense of purpose is attractive and earns respect. Women admire men who are confident, protective, and caring, but having a clear purpose in life takes it up a notch. Chasing your goals and passions makes you magnetic and means you're not chasing after women. They will be drawn to your sense of purpose, making you a man of authority who commands respect. In conclusion, respect is not something you demand, it's something you earn. By respecting yourself, setting boundaries, being genuine, increasing your value, standing up for yourself, avoiding neediness, and pursuing your purpose, you'll become the kind of man that women can't help but respect. Put these tips into practice and watch your relationships transform. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon because we genuinely want to see you happy with your ladies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.